How to play Mecha Beta in PC. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. And then you have to move into the official site of Steam. Once you're in here, if you already have your account, enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into a specific account. If not, you have to create one. Once you have been logged into your account, it will land you on this page. At the top right corner, you'll get to see the search bar. In there, you have to type in Mecha. Click on the specific game that you want to play. Now scroll down and you'll get to see the option where it says Play Now. The option of Play Now is only available to you because this game is free. So you simply have to tap on Play Now. This interface will pop up on your screen. In order to play this game, firstly you need to have the Steam desktop application installed on a device. Once you install the Steam application on a device, log into your account and then search for this game. After that, once again tap on play and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is how you can play Mecha Beta in PC. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.